Nova currently includes three weather functions, which are explained in detail in this video. The three functions are Now, the Nowcasting feature; Aware, our combined 48-hour forecast and radar view; and Cast, the 7-day outlook function for quick and easy resource planning. Let's start with the Now function. As seen here, it is divided into two sections. On the left side, there is an overview of various weather parameters that aim to comprehensively represent the current weather situation. These are complemented by limit parameters, derived from aircraft limits and operational limits assigned to the respective mission. Since the limits of these parameters are known, they are automatically evaluated and contribute to the assessment of the overall situation above the wind rose display. Below the limit parameters, METAR information from the three nearest commercial airports is displayed, automatically retrieved based on the selected location. On the right side, there is a map representing the mission location. Additionally, the three nearest airports, including current METAR information, are displayed and can be viewed by clicking on them. A precipitation radar is also available, which can be accessed within a predefined range around the mission location, covering a time span from -1 hour to +2 hours into the future using the slider at the bottom of the map. By moving the slider, all weather parameters on the left side of the screen also change. The Now situation has a temporal resolution of 5 minutes, enabling precise planning of the flight weather situation before takeoff. It is primarily aimed at pilots and flight controllers involved in departure decisions. In the menu above the map, you can switch between Now, Aware, and Cast. Next, let's look at Aware. This view shows the current day and the next 48 hours, focusing on all limit parameters assigned to the mission. It displays the trend for each parameter over the 48 hours. The overall situation above identifies time windows in which drone flights are possible according to the limitations. This view is especially useful for planning the flight day and as a common decision-making basis for the crew. The last function is Cast. This is initially available without a map display and provides a preview of evaluated weather conditions for the next 7 days, primarily to support resource management and dispatching. If needed, a map can be displayed using the symbol next to the function menu.